Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? I just want to write on a new video. This video is a reaction video from this our brother. Based on what happened last Monday, especially in Anambra State. So this is an eyewitness, and some people on social media have been making noise that Southeast is insecure and this and that. So sometimes it's always good for you to hear from the people who are in the Southeast, so that you are not going to be disappointed or feel that something has happened that you don't have any knowledge about. And it is always good for you to know how people feel about what is going on in Southeast. That is why I'm bringing this video for you to listen to what this our brother said. Very, very important. At least you can hear his own conclusion. People are busy on social media trying to make you to feel like the sit at home is irrelevant and is not effective. In fact, you should just ignore them and start going your way. Do not listen to them and all that. Many of them have wished a lot of bad things on PM. Even today, that PM have not posted for almost 48 hours, going to 48 hours, have not posted anything, and some of them are waiting to hear bad news, thinking that something has happened to him and all that. Anyway, that's a story for another day. The only thing I want you to understand is that not what people said on social media, especially those who are against it at home, not what when they say you don't go open your shop, just go, don't mind Ekpa and his people. He's just the Potaga Mepe shop. Why? Let me not be the one to say it. Let's hear from him so that you may add something. You may add something from what you already know, from what this our brother said here. That is an eyewitness. What I have noticed. I posted another video of I posted another video of one of our brothers as well, but he made his own video in Igbo language, saying that you should get used to change that thing that you normally do on Monday to Tuesday for your own life. And please hear him, and God bless you as you do so. Don't forget to like this video and share it. Comment and tell us what you think about what he said. God bless you. See you on another one. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.
Vigilance right now. Okay, free him at a Janya Mafuta. Yen Janya Mafuta. Sit at home. What do you make it on wa? Sit at home was Monday. Live in Ubo was on Monday. Almost get a vigilance group. Campoilo. Almost get a vigilance group. Manam is a Camevida. Almost get a vigilance group. As in the Janyam Fota, Nakana Zena, when we have to look up the father also Oilum was Monday. Nasakura Southeast here. Magua State in Janyam Favor. Magua no state, Magua no state here. But since I need we concern Monday, I want on Monday come out to take on you now. But come in with you now, maybe we're all that Monday, Monday she did in a Southeast here. Because you're in Janyam Fota. Monday, you're trying to work everywhere. We don't know what on Monday. Kumenka. Monday buru moya amreba. Abari boya amreba. Ati una put moto boya amreba. Ati na miloya amreba. Ebugi boya amreba. Monday osara ye meri ki businyana ko sara. Monday sara. What I assume we are seeing we mereba. ndị ike abịa ndị ike banyere nke gbagharịa nụgharị apụọ. That is the end of it. Ọsị mere mụ mmadụ. Only the trauma alone.
Life in Ubo, attack now. Life in Ubo. Ubo down about.
Come on, come and see me. You can make them Southeast here. Open Monday. After the listen and Nagari, on our bin Naga. Our move for on your soap. Then we find him in all of that meditation of him, Monobono, Epilu, that Monday on the Patava. I don't know what I get for what happened. On a new being now in China, feeling can now back it. It's okay for it, but now. People want to use no yammer, Amarana. Security motor. Oh, you know, Amarana. Who we hear Maramani Yamarim. It's okay, we will come, it's too free. But the two go room as one known. But now, it's okay, we will come my warrior. You know about all. But Monday, a potani you can agare. And they come out of it because you come and feel him, Merino. Focus, fear Nabiga, Focus, working the Chineke.
No Biafra, no freedom.
What's in the Dekeha? I'm on Bosmio, and I was one. Then come here.
Sit down.
Can happen.
Life in Ubo.
On the map.